Hey food lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for a quick, healthy and super tasty meal, you are in the right place. Today we are making a refreshing chickpea avocado salad that's packed with protein, healthy fat and so much flavor. It is perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Let's get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more nutritious and easy recipe. Let's start with chickpeas. 1 can, 400 grams. I rinsed it already. For this recipe, I'm going to use 1 large avocado. We need cherry tomatoes. I'm using a small box of cherry tomato, 200 grams. 1 medium-sized cucumber. Small size red onion. We need parsley. The dressing, we are going to add some salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 40 ml olive oil, garlic parsley seasoning, squeeze some lemon juice on top. I'm using halloumi cheese to garnish. You can use your favorite cheese, okay? Look how delicious and fresh this looks. If you try this chickpea avocado salad at home, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Ciao.